Hey YouTube, Stampede 19 here. Just wanted to post a real quick video. One of the users that subscribed to my channel, JDLEMME, it's JDLEMME. He's having sound issues that he thinks could be slipper clutch. Noises that he's making. He posted a video, and I personally think that your truck sounds pretty normal for a slash 4x4. Like I said in previous videos, they're chatty trucks, just a lot going on, and depending on how you set your gear mesh, depending on how clean the spur gear is, so many variables, what type oils you're running in your diffs, if your drive shaft is free on both ends, where mine's I use shoe goo on one end to keep it stationary, cuts down on a lot of noise. I'm gonna give you a quick shot of my truck running. Now understand, it's set up for street running. It's set up to run the on-road body. It's got on-road tires on it. But even with everything I've done, guys, it's a loud truck. Okay, just give you a quick listen to it. Now understand, my diffs are in tip-top shape. My pinion, spur, all good. Bearings, mint condition. So you take a listen. This is running smoothly as far as I'm concerned, but it is noisy. There you have it. Again, like I said, my truck, as far as I'm concerned, is running in mint condition, but it is a noisy truck. The only thing I can really think of is it sounds like your outer gear on one of your diffs maybe rubbing a housing. But as far as the pinging noise you're hearing, you're not gonna really test it just rolling around on the carpet. You have to have a high bite situation and punch the throttle so that the tires grab really quickly, and if the slipper clutch is slipping, you will hear it whistle. Unfortunately, it's too cold out for me to loosen the slipper up to let you hear it. Just not in a mood to get outside. But how you can test your slipper indoors is a high traction surface like, say, my pool table. If I was to loosen the slipper now and hold the truck down, keep the truck from running, okay? If I keep the truck from running and hold it like this and then gun the throttle, okay? I'll just let you watch it this way. Okay? My slipper is tight. Okay? She's not going anywhere. Now as you loosen the slipper, if I was to loosen the slipper clutch right now and do the same thing, you'll hear it whistle. It'll actually start to slip and you'll hear it whine. Give that a shot, see what's going on, and post back and let's see if we can get your truck running the way you want. I personally think my truck sounds just like yours, and it's normal. You may have a little more noise than I do. I don't think it's anything to worry about. If you're not racing and you're just bashing the truck, just have fun with it. Wait until something flies off and then you'll know what it is. Post back. Let's see what's going on.